Hello guys, welcome to my channel. What if I told you there is a tool so powerful, so accurate that it can literally turn the market into your personal ATM? The 7G scanner is not just another trading tool, it's a game changer, guys. Now if you trade synthetic indices, this is the tool that could transform your trading results overnight. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you understand how the 7G scanner works and why it's different. I'm going to be showing you how to maximize its potential for insane profits. And most importantly, this is the holy grail traders have been waiting for. Guys, let's dive into the 7G synthetic scanner. I know by now you're wondering what exactly is 7G synthetic scanner. The 7G synthetic scanner is an advanced algorithm built specifically for Deriv synthetic indices, guys, meaning it is optimized for volatility. It scans the market in real time, identifies high probability setups, and gives you laser accurate signals. This is not your average indicator, guys. This is the precision trading you've been waiting for. Here's why this tool could change your trading game forever. Imagine waking up, opening your charts, and seeing high accurate signals already mapped out for you, guys. No more FOMO, no more second guessing, no more blowing of accounts. This scanner eliminates emotional trading by giving you data-driven signals backed by cutting-edge market analysis. Okay, so let's look at how this works. Okay, we're looking at boom 300. This is a signal for a sell. All right, so this is a sell signal on market. So this is a buy signal, and you can see markets respected it. So this is another buy. You see this green arrow showing you a buy. This is another buy. This is a sell signal. Now this is a sell here. This is a buy, a sell, and buy. Let's look at another pair. Let's look at crash 500. Now guys, this is crash 500. Look at a signal here. The arrow comes in and market sold. And this is a buy signal. Now this is another sell signal. This is another sell signal. Guys, this is the 7G synthetic scanner. Let's go back to back test. So it's a buy, and you can see market, but this is another buy signal like this. This is a sell, this is a buy. So alright guys, this is crash 1000. Let's look at this is 30-minute time frame. It's a buy signal, a buy, and this was a sell. Now I know you might be thinking that this thing used to repent, but no. Now notice the sell signal it gave here, from here, and see market went a little bit against it, then it still dropped. Okay, this was a buy signal, 30 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes. Okay guys, 15 minutes time frame. Let's look. We have 15 minutes time frame, and this was a buy signal, a sell signal. Now this arrow came at the close of this candle, so entry most likely would be somewhere here. Market still went down. So guys, let's check VIX 75. All right, this is one of my favorite pair, VIX 75. It's 30-minute time frame. Let's go down to 15 minutes. Okay, let's see what we have. 15-minute time frame. Guys, you can see there was no signal here. Okay, this was the last sell that came. Guys, you can see this was the last sell. This is VIX 75, 15-minute. Notice, despite the market move here, there was no signal until here, guys. You can see this tool is going to change the way you trade the synthetic indices. I know you might be thinking, is this too good to be true? Is this the magic button for unlimited profits, guys? The truth is, it's a capital no. The forex market is dynamic in nature, so you can have the same trading instrument and have different results. The difference, it's not really the instrument but how you use it. So despite the edge this tool gives you, you still need a solid risk management strategy. You need patience to wait for setups, and you need discipline to follow the scanner without emotional trading. But if you use this correctly, this will be the edge you've been searching for, guys. And I'm going to be showing you how to use this tool. I'm not just going to give you, I'm going to be showing you how to use this tool, guys. And the good thing here is you can also combine this with your own trading system. You can combine this with your trading strategy. If you have a synthetic prop firm account, I'm going to be showing you how to use this tool to trade that account. Now, how do you get the 7G synthetic scanner? If you're serious about stepping up your trading game, don't sleep on this tool. Now click on the link in the description of this video where you'll be given access to these trading tools, guys. This is what you've been waiting for. It's a game changer for your synthetic trading. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the 7G synthetic scanner could be your shortcut to consistency and profitability. Now I have a question for you. What's your biggest struggle with trading synthetic indices, guys? Drop a comment below. I'll personally reply to as many as I can. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and put on the notification bell to get more of this kind of videos. So if you want to get this tool, join the group below or comment 7G to get access to this trading tool. Thank you, guys.